Friends, I hope everyone is fine. In today's video, we are going to see mainly four things. First one is how to install the Zoom app, and second one, how to change your profile picture, and then third one, how to rename your participant's name, and fourth one, how to join the Zoom meeting. First step, just go to Play Store in your mobile. Just select the Play Store. Yes. So in the search, what you want to give, you type it as Zoom meeting and give the search button here. So search. See, this is the icon of the Zoom cloud meeting. So once you get this, just you have to press this button, this install. Now it started. So you want to wait patiently. So it will take some minute. So you have to wait. Yes. So it's having 34.79 MB. Once it started, you no need to touch any other thing in the screen. Just you wait for some time. Yes. Now it's installed. Okay. Now what you can do, see here, you can see the open button here, right? See, touch that button. Yes, it started. So this is the first screen you will get. So in the two option is there. One is sign up and then sign in. First step what you want to do, you want to give sign in. Yes. So here in this place mail ID is there, no? So mail ID I'll type. Yes. So if you know the password, you can give the password and you can sign in. If you forgot the password, so if you know the password directly, you can give in this place and you can sign in. If you forgot the password, you can go to Google, you touch that Google. Yes. So now you can choose the mail ID what you are going to use for this Zoom meet. So I'll choose my mail ID. Yes, so you will get the screen like this after that. So here the launch Zoom is there, no? Just you press that. Yes, it started connecting. Just you want to wait for some time. Yes, now we successfully got this page. See, once you get this page, see here at the top, four options is there. So down also four option is there. So first one is meet and chat, and then second one meeting, and third one is contact, and fourth one is setting. Just note down the setting. So touch that setting here. So this page you will get. So if you this page only we are going to use to change the profile picture, and then second one is your name. So if you didn't get this page, okay, already if you are installed in your mobile, if you didn't get this page means just uninstall this Zoom app, again you install it or you can update it. So you will get this page like this. See here the second step. First step we all know how to install the Zoom app. Second step is how to change the profile picture, right? So here see the basic is there, no? There one arrow mark is there. You touch that arrow mark. So you touch this arrow mark. Now you can see this profile picture at the top. So already I updated my profile picture. If you want to update or upload or you want to change the profile picture, just you touch that and you will get three options like this: change profile picture, take photo, and then choose photo. So if already you uploaded means if you want to change the picture, you can choose the first option. Or else, that is, if you want to take a photo from your camera, you can use the second one. Third one means Already you stored the photo in your mobile in the gallery, means you can choose photo, and you can choose the photo and you can update. So three options are there to change the profile picture. Once you completed, you can give change. So once you choose this picture, you can give save, it will save automatically. So this is the second step. And third step, how to rename the participant's name, means see here, this option display name is available, right? So here also one arrow mark is there. Just you touch that arrow mark, so it will be there, the first name, last name and display name. You can give the name here. If you want to rename also, you can rename. You can, if you press here, the cursor will blink. You can give that this X, right? You can delete it, you can update it. The same way here also. And display name, this name, see here, this name only display in the participant list. So if you want to update with the roll number or capital letter or small letter numbers, whatever it is, here you can do the changes. Once all the changes are over, you can give the save button at the top right side. So save you can give. Yes. So three step is over, right? Now come back. Now how to join the meeting? Just go first option, meet and chat. So here at the top you'll have four option. So if you are the student or if you are a participant, you can go for the join meeting. You can touch this second one, join. Here you will receive, already you will receive the code. Okay, so you can type that code, meeting ID. So I'll type the meeting ID which I received. So yes. So first 3 digit, next 3 digit, next 4 digit. So totally like this it will be there. After that you can cross check it here. See whatever the name we gave, right, in the display name, you can check it here. So this is the permanent setting. We change in the permanent setting. If you change here, at the moment only it will display. After that again it will change what are the name we given in the display name. So after given the ID, meeting ID, the join option is here, right? So touch that join. Yes. So you will receive the passcode also. Meeting passcode also is there. So you type that passcode, either 3 digit or 6 digit or 5 digit 4. That's not a matter. So what is the passcode for you? Just you type it and you want to give this option OK. It will ask please allow Zoom access permission. Once if you get this, you want to give, got it. Pictures and record video, you have to give allow. So it will ask the option. So like this, join video and join without video. That's your option. If you want to give without video, so it will take like this. Data networks use downloading Zoom. Like this it will be there. Yes, it started connecting. Yes, it started. Now see here. First, once you join that, you will get the option like this. So you want to note down very keen that, see, first option is join audio, right? Wi-Fi. It will display Wi-Fi or cellular data. If you didn't touch that, whatever the host is talking, not able to hear. Okay, we'll check it. See in the participants, I'll go to the participants. See, I join in this name. See here, the mic symbol is not available. See for others, okay, this is the host. Okay, near to the host, it will display like that. Another one participants is there. See near to my list, participants list, the mic is not available. The problem is, just come back. I didn't connect with the audio. So you want to touch this audio, and main thing you want to touch this Wi-Fi or cellular data. Once you touch that, allow Zoom to record audio, you can give. So once you touch that, you will get right. So you can unmute and mute this mic. If you want to talk, you can unmute and you can talk if they are asking any questions like that. So first option is mic option, mute and unmute. And then second option is start video. So second option, right? If they are asking to show something, or if you want to show your video, you can on that video. So you can on and off the video. Now it is in off position. So this is the unmute and mute for mic, and then video you can on and off it. And then next option is participants. So 3 participants are there in the meeting, it displays. If you touch that, you can see participants also. So 3 participants, and the last one is the more option, is very important. See here, if you want to talk something, means raise hand you can give and you can talk. If they are asking any, if you want to ask something, you have any doubt, you can give that option. See here, raise hand is available. You can check it in the participants list also. After that, if you want to lower the hand, just go to that lower hand and you can give the same way in the more option. So raise hand and more, and chat also it is there. You can touch the chat. If you want to tell something, if the host is allowing, you can give and you can receive the link also there. So that is the main thing here. I hope this video will be useful. And see, if you want to leave the meeting, you can give leave meeting. Yes, that's and it. You can come out of I hope this video is very useful for you. Very simple. We'll make use of video. It, all the steps. If you have any comment, you can comment me in the box. Thank you so much. Be safe.